Smash it. Good. 1. Good. 2. You can reset on each one. Just don't take too long. 3. Excellent. 4. Come on. 1 more. Make sure you drop it to the waist first before it hits the ground, all right? Look at this kid. Look at you, Marley. You got it? Woo! You all right? You all right? What'd you do?
I did it.
What'd you do? You okay?
I did it.
Very good. Jordan, what happened, man? What happened, man? Come on, talk. Oh, okay, relax. Ooh, and you still got it up there, man. That's what a warrior look like, man. You get hit in the groin and you still finish the movement. He's okay, Marley. You gotta let him rest for a second. Come on, all right, come on over here, bro. Last of the jumps. Breathe that out. All right, watch out, Marley. Uncle Jordan's about to get buck wild here. Come on, Jay. Boom, boom, boom. That's what I'm talking about. Come on. Flip that bad boy. Good. You can use the knees. That's good. All right. Excellent. Boom, boom. Excellent. Make sure you drop your hips low when you go to flip that thing, okay? Marley, watch out, son. Jordan's still going, okay? After he's done, then you go. Drop your hips some more. Good, right there. Good. Drive it. Use those shoulders. Excellent. Yes. Flip it. Come on. This is 1, and then you got 1 more. Good. Last one. Come on. Boom, 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 boom. Yep, last flip. Come on. Drop those hips. Good. Use the full body. Excellent. Beast mode. Killer.
Now I can do it.
Our boy's a beast.